Hi everyone, and welcome back to Spanish in 5.
We're Alex and Maya, and we help you learn Spanish in a simple and friendly way.
Today's episode is a little bit extra.
That means more examples, more practice, and more learning.
We're talking about common Spanish mistakes
Mistakes that many A2 learners make.
and how to fix them.
Many learners say,
Soy cansado.
but that is not correct.
For feelings, we use estar.
The correct sentence is,
Estoy cansado.
I am tired.
Let's practice.
Estoy cansado. Estoy feliz. Estoy nervioso.
I am 30 years old.
In Spanish, we don't use ser for age.
We use the verb tener.
The correct sentence is,
Tengo 30 años.
I have 30 years.
Practice.
Tengo 20 años. Tengo 35 años. Many learners use para for everything.
But we need both por and para.
Remember,
Para is destination, person, or goal.
por, reason, exchange, or time.
Examples.
Este regalo es para ti. Gracias por tu ayuda. Pagó 5 euros por el café.
Be careful with this one.
Soy caliente does not mean I am warm.
It means something very different.
It means I am sexually hot.
To say I am warm, you say
Tengo calor.
practice.
Tengo calor. Tengo frío. Actually means in reality.
But actualmente in Spanish means currently.
Example.
Actualmente vivo en Madrid.
Currently, I live in Madrid.
Actually.
En realidad. Practice.
En realidad, me gusta el café. Muy goes before adjectives.
Mucho goes with nouns and verbs.
Examples.
Estoy muy cansado. Tengo mucho trabajo. Trabajo mucho. In Spanish, you don't always need yo, tú, él.
The verb already shows who is speaking.
Example.
Hablo español. Yo hablo español.
Both are correct.
Let's hear a short conversation.
¿Cuántos años tienes?
Tengo 28 años.
¿Estás cansada?
Sí, estoy muy cansada. Now you try.
Tengo 28 años. Estoy muy cansado.
Now it's quiz time. I am tired.
Estoy cansado.
How do you say, I am 30 years old?
Tengo 30 años.
Thanks for your help.
Gracias por tu ayuda.
How do you say, I am warm?
Tengo calor.
Currently, I live here.
Actualmente vivo aquí. Excellent.
Today, you learned how to fix common Spanish mistakes.
Using estar for feelings, tener for age, and por and para correctly.
These small changes make your Spanish sound much more natural.
Keep practicing and speaking out loud. Thanks for listening to Spanish in 5.
In the next episode, we'll talk about the future in Spanish.
Keep learning and stay motivated.
Hasta pronto.